Alright guys, what up people, welcome to Finvest Alert. Let me show you a quick one, airdrops that you can do and get finance to position for 2025 bull run, and they are very quick. Most of them are ending within just 10 days. You don't need to stress yourself. So let's get into it. Let's start from the Telegram airdrops. This is who you can see ending in 10 days. So this is it. You can see it right now. Up here is your zoo, and I don't think they are dividing. According to them, they said this is the number of tokens you will get from the airdrop, and then these are my per hour earnings, which are making up for all of this. So when you come to this page, all of these diagrams you see, all of these are my animals that I have bought. So if you click on, you can see the empty box on this grass that is having a plus. You can see all of this. If I just tap on this, it brings up animals for me to buy. All right, so when this pops up, you can buy any animal. For now, I've purchased a lot of animals, and this one is costly for me to purchase. I don't have enough feed to buy them. Up here is the feed, and so if you want to increase, you can use your star, but I don't use any star. Please don't use your ton, don't use any star. You can just get this daily from doing tasks. So once you click on this, you just buy animal. First of all, you buy them because from the time you log in, you get some feeds here to buy the least animals that you have to buy, starting from 100 and all of that. So then you come down to task. Please do this task. This is what shows that you've really registered. So you see the daily reward login. You first of all do that. You see some tasks like these are the ones I've done. This is actually coming from X Empire, and if you know what X Empire did, you want to do this airdrop. Like I said, 10 days. You don't have to waste time on this one. All right, so you do this and a few things like connect your Ton wallet. All right, this is your Telegram wallet or your Ton keeper, anyone. You don't have to do any transaction. Join their Telegram, and that is it. Just these key ones you do shows that you've registered and you're in, and so you can be buying animals. All right, simple. So if you come here, alliance simply means all of this clan and the rest of them. You might not even join it if you don't want to, but I had to join it to increase my earning. All right, you have to join it if you want to. I did that just to increase my earning. So the next thing, you can see this is boost if you want to use all of this, but this is what is very important, this feed. All right, so after some time, your animals need you to feed them with the feed that I've already shown you. So you can see different prices, but I do the daily feeding. Okay, normally the daily feeding used to be 4,900, but I'm seeing the daily feeding here is 9,900. I don't know if they have increased it at this last point, but that's very fine. Like I said, once you register, you have some feed here that you can use to play around. And I still have 6 hours to go. So it's very simple, not hard. I don't want us to flog on this one. Now, this is quiz. This quiz is very simple. You don't even need to answer questions. Like, you don't need to stress yourself answering questions. When you just click on it, for instance, I've already done this. I would have loved to show you how simple it is. This is like a survey they are doing. When you click on it, it's like a survey. All right, let me use the word retake quiz. Good. Now let me just do retake quiz so you can see. They ask, how do you prefer to spend your weekend? So this is like something you do. You don't even need to read. If I don't want to click on this, I can just click randomly, anyone. I don't need to read. I click again, I click again, I click again, and I click again. So at the end, they just bring out an animal. They said, find out what animal you are, that kind of stuff. And that's it. They now say I should share it to my Telegram. All right, so I'm done for today. I'm not going to share anyone. So they will add feed for you, 1,000 feed. And so that is it. So I had to retake this quiz just so that you see that you don't need to crack your brain or anything, and this one is done. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Like I said, easy airdrops that you can do. This is Trump Empire. All right, and they gave a news after the Trump coin did what it did. So I don't know if they are trying to push this to Trump. All right, if they are trying to push this to Trump to help make it also grow or something, or probably the name Trump now is a household name. It makes the media to shake. It moves the social media. All right, so if you do anything just like that day that Trump coin was created, you see Trump this official, Trump that official, all of them, they were just going up, all those meme coins, for those of you who know how to trade meme coins. So this is a project that is using Trump's name, so I would really like you to jump on this one too. So here we are in, so you just click on this place, continue. All right, don't all of this is if you want to purchase anything. Okay, if you want to purchase anything, so you don't have to do all of this, please, if you don't have the money. So I have been doing this. When you click on this place, it will continue. Okay, let's take for instance this one here. I want to take this in so that it will be moving for me, it will be trading for me. So I click on this point so that it continues to move, but I've not gotten a manager. When you come down here, I'm supposed to get a manager after I get a particular point. And look at it, they said Diana Simon, and it's to manage Make America Great Again. All right, it's to manage Make America Great Again. Like I said, this is a Trump narrative, and here if you come, this is Make America Great Again. So if I get a particular point, it will help me to be trading this automatically, so I don't have to click on that button that showed up here sometime. All right, So these are my referral. I only have one referral, so it will be mining for me. I'll get this point. So look at it now. This place is highlighted on red. So you can see I can be able to get this Diana Make America Great Again. I'll take it. And I still have the next one, which is manage the world government. And that is the last one I have here, which is the world government. So now automatically, once this thing loads, this green, there's a green here. You can see this green is loading to the end. It automatically starts all over again because I've bought managers that are doing the work automatically. So you come here to upgrade. You can see, just click on all of this to upgrade, because as your point goes up, it highlights the things that you need to do. So you can just check your statistics this way and click on statistics. This just shows the things you've got in your season end, lifetime, blah blah blah, and total resets. This total reset is very simple. After a while, after you can see I've opened all the investments, all right. After a while, I am to restart all over again. You get. And so this is very simple. I am sure you can navigate through this. I don't want to waste much time on this. Maybe I'll make a separate video on all of this. So now you can see that they are all highlighted on yellow. For instance, if you check here, let's use this last one here. The last one, which says lead the world government. I have 4.803 trillion there. And then you're seeing that below they said for level 10, I should use 367.16 billion to upgrade. So when I click on this yellow now, you see that my 4 point something trillion will increase. You can see I have 20 something trillion. That place, that point, this point I'm touching where green is to be loading. So it now, after it loads to the end, this is exactly what I'm going to be getting. 28 point something trillion. Alright. And so this I'll be using to upgrade and do the rest of them. So this is very simple. Let's head to the next Telegram good project, which I know is going to do very well. So this is bad reputation. This is very, very simple. Very, very simple as ABC. This is a meme coin, and they have partnered with Floki. Yeah, Floki. You know the Floki meme coin, right? So when you come here on this place now, just look down here. You see what I did? You can swipe. You swipe down this way. So when you come down to this part, look at this. You have 2/20. So what you do is you push in. You push to hold this, and it can get destroyed at any point at random, and you will not get any point. You can see I've lost this, but if I push it and maybe I release my hand before it explodes, I will get a point. I'll just release my hand. Oh, I lost. You see, but then I only have 2 points to play here. Let me go back here. You can tap on this one. You tap on it. All right, you just keep tapping on it and it keep loading. It will be giving you points. It drops a point for me to be able to go to the other section and do that play again. All right, so let's see how many that I will get to go back to the other section. For those of you who normally use auto click, maybe that can help you out on this one. So when you're just done clicking on this, because I don't want to waste so much time, let me just go back because I know it has given me 1 point over here. So I try again so that I can win. So you see how it is. Let me just release before it explodes so you see how many points I get. And this is it. You see, that is added to me.
You are awesome if you watched to this point. If you love our alert video, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and turn on the notification bell icon. Thank you.
That's how this one is being done. Very simple. So if you come to fellas here, these are the people who have registered. All right. These are some tasks, earnings. Just do here and add up. So it's not just that stuff that added my points for me. And that's it. So there's another one called MIDAS. This is so perfect. I think they are building an exchange or something. So you want to try this out. Now, this one, you log in daily. You actually get points to tap from your streak. Streak means your daily logins. All right. I don't think I've missed any day actually. Also, so this is very helpful. It doesn't, well, if you're able to register people, it will still help boost your, your taps. You get, but then it's mostly how many times you log in daily. If you've not missed each date, it increases your tap for you and you get 16 points, and that's it. So when you are in, this is it. Your taps is supposed to show down here, and when you click on this, you tap. But I've done for today. The yielder is still coming soon. These are the friends that have registered. All right, so you hear that if you invite one friend, you get 1 tap and 20 GM points for each friend. All right, so these are the friends I've invited. You come over to task. If you have any task right here, you do them and you get more points. This is as simple as ABC. Like I said, I have done the one of today, so you can check all of this out. Socials, farming, blah blah blah, all of this, very simple. If I haven't done that of today, right here you will see my tabs, and when I click on this gem here, I will tap on it to get my points, and this is as simple as ABCD. So now we are done with some Telegram. There are others, but I'll just let you do this few. There is Friends Factory, but maybe if you're interested in knowing about Friends Factory, I'll do a separate video for it. There's also TrueCoin. So tell me what you think in the comment section below, and please subscribe to Finvest Alert. All right, and then the link to all of these airdrops is going to be in the description or comment section. So let us check out another one, which is a normal application, not in Telegram. Most of you must have heard about MARINA protocol. It takes the form of the OVA protocol, but we believe they will do better. They are under the XRP ledger or blockchain. So you click on the top here to continue with the app. All right, remove this advert. So now here it is. When you click on learn and grab, all right, you click on this, there are daily questions. So what is proof of authority in blockchain? So you answer it. I don't know what the answer is. Number 1 says a consensus mechanism where transactions are validated by approved accounts. The question is, what is proof of authority? A method of proving ownership of a large amount of cryptocurrency, a technique for verifying the authority of blockchain developers, a system for ranking the most authoritative blockchain. No. So the right answer is the number 1, a consensus mechanism. You can see it right here. I clicked on it, and so it's giving me 100 piece of. All right, now I want to double this to 200, so I click on this 2x claim, and it's supposed to please help me recharge. So after the advert, all right, after the advert, I clicked out, and then it added at this point. Now there's something I want us to do, which is come to your profile, because we want to do KYC. All right, but let me show you something on the homepage first of all. At the top here, you can see there are things running, which is what to find the final step. Soft ID is open. They say pass KYC, right? Let me swipe. The next one, they say link your wallet now. Get ready for TGE. Link your wallet now. And this is simple. Go to Play Store. There is a wallet called Girin Wallet. Girin wallet. All right. Let me see. I think I've already done that. So this is how the wallet looks like. Look at it here. Girin Wallet. This one that I'm touching. So when you click on that, you have to link it here, and it's very simple. If you go into the wallet, they'll ask you to link to MARINA protocol, and you do that after creating and saving your seed phrase. So that is exactly what we're about to do. So join their community, and now you see where all of this is playing out. Come to profile, go to KYC. If you've joined their Telegram and their Twitter, you see that these are verified. This one is processing, which is a task they gave us to download a BTSE exchange. All right, and I did that. So now hash key global has ended, but it doesn't mean anything. So this is what we're about to do. Soft ID. So you click on submit, and you see that my soft claim, my daily quiz passed. All right, 217/10, and then daily ticket claim is the one remaining for me to actually get eligible. You can see it's not highlighted down here, right? Good. So what is going to happen is we go back to the home page, and you see the daily ticket is very simple. Look at it here. This is daily ticket. It's just for me to watch an advert, and I will show you what happens when you watch it. The advert either gives you PB, which is added here, or it gives you PSOF, which is added down here. And even if that happens, you will not still see it recorded at the back. I will show you what I mean. So I will need to probably click on this before it happens. Let me show you. Let's watch an advert first of all. So this advert is finished. I'm just going to click at the top to cancel. All right. And this is given to me. So you tap on it, and that is collected. So see where it entered. Now, if I come back to my profile and go to KYC and check here, you will see that it did not add. All right. I want to show you something. It's still what? 49/50, right? You can see it. So look at what you're going to do. After that is done, you just tap on that particular place. Look at it. This, tap on it. These guys are really insane. They still want to show me another advert. Okay, so after tapping on that, it has now claimed it. You can do the same thing for this side too. This one, I have one here. I can tap on it to claim it. All right. Once that is done, if we now go back, click on KYC, and then click here, you will see that it has actually added. All right. You see it. I even have, because I clicked 2, I told you, the PSOF and the PB and PSOF, right? So you can see I have 51/50, but at least it has ticked. So they are now highlighting the submit button for me, which I can now do submit. And I think I'm done with my KYC. They said submit completed. You can check your software ID verification status in the MARINA protocol profile settings. Then I click on close. Everything is actually verified because that's the profile settings, and I'm done with this. So this is just a simple way of doing this. All right. There's nothing else you're doing here apart from answering daily quiz, which we have done, and then you can click the word if you want this. That's simple. So these are very simple airdrops that you can do, and I want you to do them. The links are in the description of this video or in the comment section. Get us to 1,000 subscribers just within this January or February. Let us monetize this channel. This can help us to get more gadgets to improve our video. God bless you.